You have seen what context engineering actually is. Now, let's talk about what you do on Monday morning. Here's the 4-step workflow you can bring to your next sprint. And I'm going to walk you through all the 4 steps using an example. We are building an AI support agent for fintech app. User message it when they have payment issue. Let's get into it. Step 1. Map the agent journey. Step 1 is very simple. You just need to map agent journey. Break down every step the agent takes. And then at every decision point, ask yourself, what this agent deciding here? And what does it need to make that decision correctly? For our support agent, the first decision point is, what does it need to answer well? User account type. Are they premium one or free account? Their last 3 interaction if they have the same problem before. The specific product they are asking about. Is this wallet issue or card issue? Most teams skip this mapping entirely. And then they wondered why agent is giving generic and frustrating answer. The map tells you what should be there. Now let's check what actually is. Step 2. Audit. Look at what system is sending versus what we needed and compare both two. The gap between those is your engineering backlog. When you do audit for our fintech support agent, you might find account type being passed. Last 3 interaction not passed. Agent has no memory for prior complaints. Card versus wallet context. Not pass. Agent is guessing from the keyword. 2 out of 3 missing. That's your backlog tickets. Step 3. Define quality criteria for each context type. Step 3 is where PM completely check out. They leave this for engineers. Quality criteria for context is your job because you know what good output looks like and you can work backward also. Ask yourself what good version of context actually looks like. For our support agent, let's take the retrieval step. Users say my payment is failed. An agent pull the relevant policy chunk. Bad chunks look like 3 paragraphs of general payment policy, technically related, completely unhelpful. A good chunks look like user transaction ID, the error code, the specific policy rule that apply to the failure type. Write that down. Add in your ticket as an exception criteria. That's what testable context quality looks like. Same for your system prompt. That's the difference between a vague one and useful one. Write it down, make it a standard, and own it. Step 4. Build evaluation loop. Context engineering without evaluation is just guessing. Here's what an evaluation looks like in practice. Change the context. Maybe you added one interaction history to the prompt. You run test cases. You check did output quality improve. Tools like LangSmith make these changes visible. In LangSmith, you literally see what context went in, what model did with it, and where exactly it broke. Here's the PM specific point. Your job is not to build evaluation. Your job is to insist it exists. For our support agent, passing evaluation might be give a failed payment message and the correct context. The agent correctly identify failure region and give the resolution step under the 3 sentences. That's an PM decision, not an engineering decision. You own the definition of good. Make sure it written down somewhere. Team that escape it don't ship broken feature. They ship mediocre one. The agent works. It responds. It sounds fine. But it hallucinates on edge cases. It gives irrelevant answer 20% of time. And nobody tells you why. Because nobody mapped the context. Nobody audited it. And nobody defined the quality. Nobody built evaluation. This is the context problem. But now you know how you can fix it. The best PM I have worked with, they treat context quality as a data quality. As a first-class product concern, it has a metrics, it has an honor, it gets reviewed regularly. If your team tracking hallucination rate and retrieval precision, great. If nobody owns context quality, that's your opportunity.